The best tactical karambit knives are the most useful weapon for self-defense. Along with specially designed Indonesian karambit blades, they are the most convenient manually used tools. Best tactical karambit knives are always the best choice for tactical and combat situations. Over the past bundle of decades, the tactical karambit knives are making revolutions in launching new products and introducing new materials and designs in the market that have helped in shaping the world of modern tactical karambit knives, weapons, and edgy tools. From the prefacing of the checkered Kraton handle and the introduction of the Tonto blade of American standards to the insertion of new stainless steel blades like Senmai 3 and inventive lock mechanisms like our Triad lock, the future of tactical knives is an improving process day by day. The best tactical karambit knives are on new levels of potency, security, and performance worldwide. Every day new facilitating tried and tested products that the buyer can trust are attracting the buyers. The given below list can you make the best choice for yourself. The main objective of this video is to help you decide the best. After comprehensively researching all the products for the upcoming year, we've listed the best products for you. So let's be on a drive for our top 5 best tactical karambit knives. CRKD Provoke Compact. CRKD Columbia River Karambit Knives stand on top of our list of best tactical karambit knives. It is the most innovative product. It is one of the world's most delicate combat knife designs. It operates on a simple principle that significantly gives its user confidence. The best feature of the CRKD Provoke Compact knife is just 4.5 inches long along with folded handle in it. It has been prepared with an inventive thumb pressure-activated pocket clip. The blade is self-defense optimized, 2.26 inches long. The CRKD Provoke Compact Folding Knife is redesigned to be an ultra-portable everyday carry. Its powerful aluminum handle adds to its splendidly lightweight design, doubling in function as the perfect self-defense weapon. Another benefit of owning this knife is that its folding edge knife performs admirably and is the finest choice when looking for a cost-effective utility karambit. If the buyer intends to truncheon with its karambit, the Triad lock gives the user confidence in holding up to something that won't likely be hurled at it. Compared to other manual weapons, these tactical karambit knives help to ensure more comfort and flexibility. Along with many benefits, it also comes with some hazards too. The material used in the product can cause specific cancer in the body and also leads to infertility. Devil Claw 2. The Devil Claw 2 fighting knives sits on number 2 in our list of best tactical karambit knives. They are ideally suited for a variety of cutting operations because they are primarily designed to be recommended to use in outdoor and military tasks. The blade is made of stainless steel and comes in various colors. It has a simple edge and is a thin blade weighing 0.45 pounds. Its stainless steel blade makes it more rust-resistant and long-lasting. The best carved blade shape aids in more effective gripping and motion. The manufacturing design of the knife's handle is its most distinctive feature. It is designed to allow for a secure grip on the weapon from various positions. Along with many other qualities, it is designed for using contemporary processes and making it more long-lasting and sturdy. Claw folding knives are the most comfortable and easy-to-go knives. They are specially designed in such a way that they can give more performance and are easy to carry and use. Such knives are mostly used for safety purposes. User reliability and comfort are kept in mind while designing a claw folding knife. Its material, size, and weight, hence everything, make it easier to use and handy to take it anywhere anytime. It also has a drawback because the material used in it is causing cancer and leads to production problems. Kershaw Outlier. Kershaw Outlier sits on number 3 in our research list of best tactical karambit knives. For various grips, a steel ring with a karambit-style blade is easy to handle with a strong grip. The 8CR13 MOV blade steel has high strength and good corrosion resistance. The black wash finish conceals used scratches. With the help of a built-in flipper and thumb studs, it opens swiftly and simply. It is a deep carry pocket clip switchable between left and good carry. It has a black glass-filled nylon handle and a black blade for a tactical appearance and feels. When opened, it measures 7 inches by 5 centimeters when closed. This exquisitely crafted knife, a Kershaw Karambit blade, will provide their customers with a tactical edge. The steel backspacer on the Outlier has a variety of grips, ring or no ring. The Outlier makes it simple to perform a reverse grip, for instance. The striking blade design can be used to cut rope or boxes in addition to being tactical. The flipper or thumb stud can be used with Kershaw's aided opening system for rapid access. This sturdy Kershaw has a black wash treatment on the steel ring and blade. The Outlier is quick and safe, everything a person wants in a karambit. Dispatch RK0202SL. Dispatch RK0202SL are the 4th most in-demand knives in our list of best tactical karambit knives. These folding knives offer prompt one-handed consumption and lock progressively into place with a line-lock. It is designed with an advanced strong pocket clip for easy and safe carry. It is used for different tasks, like it is a perfect tool for camping, fishing, and outdoor adventure. It's also a good tool for home use. It can be an ideal business or birthday gift for friends, fathers, brothers, boyfriends, and husbands. It is specially designed with a fine stainless steel body that helps prevent rust staining. The length of its blade is about 3.5 inches. It is designed to use manually. This karambit knife is a smart design tool with a rounded tip for safe training. The oversized thumb hole helps to allow the user to wield the dispatch karambit properly. Its highlighted features raised plastic webbing for an added hold, ideal for individual performance, exercise, and demonstrations. The rubberized handle is contoured with 3 comfortable finger notches for a superb grip. It comes with attractive titanium finishing and is reasonably priced. It is perfect for outdoor activities such as hunting, fishing, and camping. The rock-solid stainless steel construction provides the customers with a sturdy accessory that is also stylish and affordable. It is the most convenient option for those who like to collect things, especially knives, and these knives are the desirable choice. Dispatch takes pride in creating trustworthy knives perfect for all outdoor adventures. Whether the user is using them for hiking, camping, executing bushcraft, or any other activities, they are designed to let the user experience the unexpected, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. Masalong Ghostly Cloam 121. Masalong Ghostly Cloam 121 comes on number 5 in our list of best tactical karambit knives 2023. The Masalong Phantom knife is composed of D2 steel, which increases its durability, and has a bird-shaped blade body and an exaggerated thumb hole handle design. It has a lasting and durable sharpness that can approach 68 HRC. It is much more sophisticated on the screw and knife tail thanks to adding an octagonal component. It is an exquisitely carved tool. G10 is the material used to make the handle. It has a blade about 76 millimeters long and is almost 198 millimeters long overall. The knife measures 7.34 inches overall and has a blade thickness of roughly 4.6 millimeters. The blade's edge measures about 3 inches. Knife blades are manufactured with D2 steel with a hardness of roughly 68 HRC. With all of the contemporary conveniences, buyers must purchase arm protection gloves to safeguard their arms in the event of diminished proficiency for safe utilization. Another choice is to perform karambit training before using the weapon with confidence. The belt clip can be taken off and put back on from the other side. Additionally, it can be adjusted after installation and installed horizontally. However, it isn't easy to rotate in different directions. The quality of the product promises its customers that the products they buy are free of production flaws. You will find all the product links in the description below. Go and check them out. This was all for the best tactical karambit knives for 2023. We assure you this information helped you in making the best decision. If you find our video informative, do like, subscribe, and kindly share the video with all your friends and let them help in choosing the best for them.